everyone, welcome to the AMX Superstore's Product Insight. I'm Riana, Crehan, and today I'm joined by our brand manager from HJC, Stacey Humphries. Stacey, we've got some great products to talk about today.
We do. We have HJC's Smart Bluetooth communication system. This is developed by Sena specifically for HJC helmets. Here's one we prepared earlier. So why HJC have developed their own proprietary system, you can see on the inside here of the shell, HJC have developed it so that the channeling on the EPS allows for the wires to be smoothly tucked into the side, so there's no bunching of the wires, and also it allows for the system to have this slimline profile just on the side, and that's to eliminate the wind noise. So basically it's to keep the rider comfortable and make sure there's no bunching of the wires inside their helmet.
We've got a couple of systems available. Talk us through the differences for these.
So we have two systems available that fit all the helmets that can take the Smart HJC systems. So we have, first is our 10B. So this is the basic communication rider to pillion or rider to rider in close proximity. This one allows up to 400 meters distance with audio, voice control, and it still has the music sharing capabilities. To the left here, we have the premium 20B. So the 20B is comparable to Sena's 20S. Now this allows up to 8 riders because it's got the Bluetooth 4.1 communication at a distance of 1.6 kilometers, which is a really great range. The really good thing about this one too, it has audio multitasking. So you can be listening to your music, have your GPS come through, give you instructions, it fades out and your music returns. The 20S is available in the black that you can see on the counter, or as you see we've got fitted to the i100, the semi-flat white.
And can you use this smart system in various different helmets?
Yeah, definitely. So what we're finding is all the new HJC helmets are coming out with this smart communication system recessed in the back. If you have a look, we've got the R11 in the carbon model. And to check that you're comparable, you'll find that there's the battery recess sitting in the back of your helmet. If you're unsure, jump online on our website and we'll be able to tell you if your helmet fits. But all of the new models are coming out with these recesses for the smart communication system.
And aside from this system itself, is there another way we can adapt what we want on our communication device?
We have Smart HJC has an app, so that's available to download on your phone, and that allows you to control your settings with a touch of the button.
Great, thank you so much, Stacey. If you'd like any more information on the Smart HJC communication system, head to your nearest AMX Superstore, or all the information is there on the website.